When it comes to maintaining and improving your commercial property in Washington, D.C., the windows you choose play a significant role. Whether you own an office building, retail space, or a mixed-use development, the right windows can enhance the appearance, energy efficiency, security, and comfort of your building. However, selecting the best commercial windows can be a complex process, as there are many factors to consider, from material options to performance features. If you're unsure where to begin, don't worry. This guide will walk you through the essential considerations for choosing the best commercial windows for your Washington property, ensuring you make an informed decision that aligns with your needs and goals. Consider the type of commercial property. The type of commercial property you own will directly influence the type of windows you choose. For example, windows for a high-rise office building will differ from windows suited for retail storefronts or industrial spaces. Here's a breakdown of how window choices may vary depending on the property. Office buildings. If you own an office building, you may want windows that provide natural light, enhance energy efficiency, and improve the building's overall aesthetic appeal. Double or triple pane windows are ideal for reducing energy loss and managing noise, providing a more comfortable work environment. Retail stores. Retail spaces often prioritize visibility and curb appeal to attract customers. Large storefront windows with clear glass or low emissivity, low heat coatings can maximize visibility and allow natural light in, while offering protection against UV rays and heat. Industrial spaces. For industrial properties, windows need to be durable, secure, and energy efficient. Steel frame windows or reinforced windows with impact-resistant glass are commonly chosen for their durability and ability to withstand harsh conditions. Choosing the right type of window based on the needs of the commercial property will ensure that it serves both functional and aesthetic purposes. Energy efficiency and cost saving. Washington, D.C. experiences both hot, humid summers and cold, damp winters. As such, energy efficiency is a crucial factor to consider when selecting windows for your commercial property. Energy-efficient windows help regulate indoor temperatures, reduce reliance on HVAC systems, and lower utility costs. Double or triple pane windows are highly effective at insulating against temperature fluctuations. These windows feature multiple layers of glass with insulating gas, such as argon or krypton, between them, providing better thermal resistance and reducing heat transfer. Low heat coatings can also help enhance energy efficiency. These thin, transparent coatings reflect heat back inside during the winter to reduce heat gain in the summer, ensuring your property remains comfortable year-round. Tinted or reflective glass can also be a good option for commercial properties, as it helps reduce glare from the sun, thereby improving energy efficiency and occupant comfort. Opting for energy-efficient windows can lead to long-term savings on heating and cooling costs, making it a wise investment for commercial property owners. Security and durability. Security is a critical consideration for any commercial property. Windows that are not properly secured or made from durable materials can be a weak point, leaving your building vulnerable to break-ins, vandalism, or even severe weather. Impact-resistant glass is an excellent option for properties that require additional protection. It is designed to withstand impact especially beneficial for buildings located in areas prone to violent storms or high-crime neighborhoods. Reinforced frames and multi-point locking systems are other features to look for when enhancing window security. These windows provide added durability and security to prevent unauthorized access. Security film can also be applied to windows for an added layer of protection. This film reinforces the glass, making it more resistant to breakage. By investing in high-security, durable windows, you're ensuring the safety of your property, employees, tenants, and valuable assets. Aesthetic appeal and design flexibility. The aesthetic appeal of your commercial property plays a significant role in its overall success. For businesses, an attractive exterior can help draw customers in, while for office buildings, windows contribute to a welcoming and professional atmosphere. Window styles such as casement, sliding, or fixed windows can create a modern, clean look for your property. These styles can be mixed and matched to suit the design of the building. Color options for frames, whether black, white, or custom finishes, can complement your building's exterior and brand identity. Large windows or floor-to-ceiling glass are popular choices for commercial spaces like retail stores or office buildings because they allow for plenty of natural light and provide an open, airy feeling. Keep in mind that the window design should align with the architecture of your building while contributing to the comfort of occupants and the experience of customers or clients. Maintenance and longevity. Windows are a long-term investment, and you'll want to choose materials that require minimal maintenance and offer long-lasting performance. Consider the following. Vinyl windows are low maintenance, durable, and resistant to rot, making them a popular choice for commercial properties. Fiberglass windows offer excellent durability, require little upkeep, and are resistant to weather, making them an ideal choice for commercial properties exposed to varying conditions. Wood windows require more upkeep than vinyl or fiberglass, including painting and sealing, but they can provide a timeless, classic look for buildings that prioritize aesthetic appeal. Choosing low-maintenance windows can save you time and money on repairs and upkeep in the future, allowing you to focus on other aspects of your business. Budget and ROI consideration. While high-quality windows may have a higher upfront cost, the long-term benefits make them a worthwhile investment. Consider the return on investment, ROI, especially if you plan to rent or sell the property in the future. Energy savings, increased property value, and enhanced tenant satisfaction can all provide substantial returns over time. Additionally, there may be tax incentives or rebates available for choosing energy-efficient windows, which can offset some of the initial installation costs. Conclusion. Choosing the best commercial windows for your Washington, D.C. property is a decision that affects everything from security and energy efficiency to curb appeal and comfort. By considering the type of property, the window materials and features, and the long-term benefits, you can make an informed decision that meets your needs and aligns with your goals. Investing in the right windows will not only improve the functionality and aesthetics of your building, but will also provide valuable savings and increased security for years to come. Whether you're renovating an existing space or designing a new building, proper window installation is an essential step in creating a high-performing, attractive commercial property.